In this video we're going to talk about the difference between chords in their sounds with respect to major and minor. I'll be, for future videos, using some of the materials from the University of South Africa's Harmony and Counterpoint course. This is the 1982 edition. When we talk about harmony or chords, we need to understand that these are built out of our scale notes. A scale would be a musical pattern which has a particular type of structure, and this structure can be repeated on any of the notes on our keyboard. In Western music, our keyboard has what we call octaves, one sound that has a pitch either the same but at a higher level or at a lower level. Within one octave there are 12 semitones or 12 chromatic notes. In traditional music such as Indian music, you'll have many more notes subdividing the octave. But for our purposes for Western music, where most of our pop music comes from, we are going to look at our Western harmony. Our two sounds can be major and minor for our two chords that we're going to look at first. And I'll be using the key of C to start. This is the major sound, C major. And I can play it anywhere on the keyboard and it is still C major. It has a bright, happy sound to it. I can also change the order of these three notes and play that position anywhere on the keyboard, and it has the same general sound quality, but just a difference in whether it's high or low. Now if I take my chord, since it has three notes, we call it a triad. I just showed you we could invert it. So when we have our close position triad, where the three notes are closest together, and I put the name of the chord at the top of the chord, then we call this first inversion. If I take the bottom two notes and invert the chord again, put them up at the top, the lowest note is our fifth note, and this is called second inversion. And it doesn't matter where you play that second inversion, the chord is still C. Now I'll play C, adding the bass. And I will change to the different inversions, and you will hear that although the pitch is going up, the overall sound quality of the chord is the same. That is major. Now we'll look at minor, and I will use A minor, and I'll use my close position triad. The reason this is called A minor is because A is the lowest note when the chord is in close position, and the sound quality is different from major. This sounds sadder. I can do the same chord inversions to A minor that I did to C major's chord. This is root position. If I put the A up at the top, it's still A minor, but it is first inversion. Now, if I put both the A and the C up on top, I'm going to have second inversion, and it is still A minor. And the sound is that very sad sound. I'll add the bass now and use inversions. So it doesn't matter where the right hand is playing, and it doesn't matter what inversion the right hand is playing, as long as the left hand is on the A, the overall sound is still A minor, and it is a root position chord.